Sewing machines always come with a basic accessory kit, including needles and a seam ripper. That's great to get started, but it's clearly not enough. In this video, I'm sharing 5 must-have accessories that made a huge difference for me when I started sewing. I actually bought the last one recently, and I really wish I had it earlier. It would have saved me a lot of trouble. 1. Friction pens. On my channel, you'll only see me marking fabrics with Erasable friction pens. Their ink disappears instantly with an iron or a hairdryer. The only downside is that the ink is hard to see on dark fabrics. If that's the case and you don't have tailor's chalk, here's a little trick. A dry leftover piece of soap will do the job perfectly. 2. Dressmaking scissors, not too heavy. Even as a beginner, choosing quality scissors is essential. I know it's an investment, but trust me, using dull or snagging scissors can quickly become frustrating and discouraging. Avoid oversized scissors. They're often heavy and harder to control, which can make your cuts less precise. For me, the perfect balance is these French Nogence scissors, 20 cm long, super versatile, and just the right weight. One golden rule: never use your fabric scissors on paper. Keep a separate basic pair just for cutting paper. 3. Transparent measuring rulers. I use these all the time. They're perfect for measuring and marking on both fabric and paper. And what makes them so great? They're transparent. You can see the fabric underneath, which helps with precise placement when adding seam allowances or marking at an exact distance from an edge or pattern line. They are also great for checking right angles and 45 degrees angles, which is super useful for cutting bias strips. Looking for an easy beginner project? Try this baby bib. You'll find the full step-by-step tutorial on my channel. 4. Extra fine pins. Pins might seem like a small detail, but they are essential in every sewing project. You use them to hold fabric pieces together, secure patterns, or keep pleats and gathers in place. Personally, I use only extra fine pins with flat heads. Why? Because they don't distort the fabric as much as round-headed pins do. Bonus tip: keep a magnet nearby to quickly pick up pins that scatter on your desk or fall on the floor. I've lost count of how many times I found pins stuck between the floorboards. 5. Ironing rulers. These heat-resistant rulers are amazing. They help you fold hems precisely, and you can even mark through the little perforations. Look how easy it is to press perfect folds with them. Since they're super flexible, I also use the small one to adjust seam allowances. It helps me measure the distance between the presser foot's edge aligned with the fabric and the needle's stitch line, so I can place it exactly where I need it. With these 5 must-have accessories, you're ready to tackle your first sewing projects successfully. If you have other accessory recommendations or just want to say hi, write a comment below. See you soon on my channel!